Welcome to Singing with Ron!
In this next video, I want to show you an exercise that I use with all of my students, especially when they're exploring more belty sounds. And it's an exercise that I saw on an Adele special on CBC. And Adele was, it showed a day in the life of Adele. And she was having a voice lesson with Jeannie Levetri, who I've had a lesson with, and she taught me this exercise. So what it is you're lifting your chin, sticking out your tongue, and I want you to just pant silently. Feel that support from down here, and your chest is opening. I don't want you to feel all slouchy, but feel like you're lifting your chest and lengthening your back a little bit. You don't want to go all the way back there. So you're lifting your chin, and then what you want to do is sing the vowel ah with your tongue out. Ah, ah. So as you're doing it, you don't want so you do this in front of a mirror so that your tongue doesn't go ah, which happens to most people. And so, see what happens to the sound? So you don't want the sound to change. You want to keep that vowel the whole time from the bottom. And so that is the Adele exercise. You go up an octave, down the fifth, down the third, back down to the root, So what you start to feel is that something is narrowing. And pay attention to that feeling, because it's very important for you to finding how your belt or your belty voice or contemporary voice can go higher and higher and higher, all the way up to high C for some people. So it's a really important exercise for developing your contemporary belty sound.